Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I am going to show you guys on how to resolve if your text is pixelated or not displaying properly on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung settings and i-click mo lang dito yung open. So dito lang sa left side menu, and the next step, i-select mo lang dito yung system. And dito lang sa right side ay makikita mo dito yung display. So i-click mo lang yan. So dito sa display ay kailangan na natin itong i-modify, alright? So dito sa kanyang scale and layout, so, pwede mo itong i-modify, click mo lang yung arrow na yan, and then select ka lang dito kung ilang percent. But most recommended, i-select mo lang dito yung 150%. So, dito sa display resolution, so i-click mo lang yan, at pwede mong i-modify ito. Okay, so nandito lahat yung mga options, but the most recommended display resolutions is 1920 by 1080. Okay, so select mo lang yan. And then same naman dito sa kanyang display orientations. So pwede mong i-modify dito kung landscape, portrait, and then ganito siya, okay? And then next step, so dito naman sa kanyang advanced display, under dito sa related settings, ay i-click mo lang yan. And then pwede mo naman itong i-modify dito sa kanyang choose a refresh rate. So i-click mo lang yung arrow na yan, and then select mo lang dito mga kaibigan. Right, so once nagawa mo na dito yung kanyang modifications dito sa settings, so ang next solution na pwede natin gawin ay dito lang ulit sa search menu, and dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung view advanced system. Ayan, so makikita mo dito yung view advanced system settings, and then i-click mo lang dito yung open and pop up itong system properties. Okay, so ang next step, so dito lang sa gitna ay select mo lang dito yung advanced, and then dito lang sa performance ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung settings, so click mo lang yan. And next step, so dito sa kanyang performance settings, and then dito lang ulit sa taas ay select mo lang dito yung advanced, and then select mo lang yung pinakauna na let Windows choose what best for your computer. So select mo lang yan, and then click mo lang dito yung apply, and then click mo lang dito yung okay. Alright, so after dito, and then next step, dito lang sa start menu, at kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang ito. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix text is pixelated or not displaying properly in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.